Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics grade 5. Our today's lesson is major angles. These are in pages 911 and 912. First of all, open please page number 911. In this page, in our last lesson, we did from question number 4 to question number 7. This was about the measurement of sides, but in today's lesson, we will study about the measuring angles. Measure angles of each triangle to the nearest degree. Then describe the number of acute, right or obtuse angle. Some triangles are given. We will measure the angles with the help of protractor. In our last lesson, I explained you how to measure angle. You will put the protractor, center of the protractor at one corner, and the black line should meet the given line, and from there from 0 you will read the line that is touching the protractor. You will measure the angles and you will decide either it is right, obtuse or acute angle. Number 8, 3 angles are there in a given triangle. One is 35 degree, other is 25 degree, and the third angle is 120 degree. In our given line, we will write the observation. The triangle has 1 obtuse and 2 acute angles. 1 obtuse angle because one is 120, that is greater than 90 degree, and 2 others are less than 90 degree, so they are obtuse angles, and 120 is the obtuse angle, and 35 and 25 are the acute angles. In the given line, we will write a triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. Question number 9, we will measure the 3 angles one by one. One is 70 degree, other is 20 degree, and the third is 90 degree. 90 degree angle is called right angle, and other angles are 20 and 70 degree. They are less than 90, so they are acute angles. In the given line, we will write the triangle has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. Next, number 10. One angle is 75 degree, other angle is 40 degree, and the third angle is 65 degree. We will write our observation. The triangle has 3 acute angles. Why? Because all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree, so they are acute angles. Number 11. One angle is 100 degree, second angle is 40 degree, third angle is also 40 degree. The triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. Because one is more than 90 degree, that is 100 degree, and 2 are less than 90 degree, they are acute angles. Again, you can see the figure. One angle is 100 degree, that is more than 90. This is obtuse angle. 2 angles are 40 degree each. They are less than 90 degree. They are acute angle. In the given line, we will write our observation. The triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. Now page number 912. Question number 2, apply it. Question number 12. In music, the triangle is an instrument with three congruent sides. It means three sides are equal. If you know that the perimeter of the triangle is 18 inches, what is the measure of one side? We know that perimeter is sum of three sides. So perimeter in this triangle is 18 inches. It means three sides are equal. 6 inches plus 6 inches plus 6 inches is equal to 18 inches. So one side is 6 inches. In the given line we will write 6 inches. Next number is 13. A figure triangle is given. See the triangle. Measure the angle of the triangle. What type of angles are in the triangle shown? In the given triangle, you see that all the angles, there are three angles, all angles are less than 90 degree. So we will write number 13 is acute angle. Number 14, refer to the exercise 13. Means you will see the figure in the exercise number 13. You will use the same figure for this question. Measure the side of triangles, then describe the number of congruent sides. In this triangle we can see that two sides are equal. In the given line we will write the triangle has two congruent sides. Number 15, circle the triangle that does not belong with the other three. Explain. There are four triangles. We will circle the third triangle because this triangle does not have at least two congruent sides. Three sides all are different. We will circle the third angle. In homework, my dear students, you will do complete these pages, page number 911 and 912, according to our today's lesson. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.